how you open the can of soda with a Sharpie pen or a regular pen. This is just a simple pen now. A bit closer, you see this edge here, this lip here on the soda. This is a can of Pepsi, but any soda can has this edge here. Not here, but on this side. I have 3 pens here. I will try to use how to open a soda can with a marker or a Sharpie. You rub around here like this. A bit further away. Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Wow. Wow, that was crazy. Oh wow. It was like a balloon popping. My hand is shaking. Oh wow. The whole thing broke here. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be that loud. Okay, so it did work. Oh, that was loud. Rubbing on this side, that's some kind of a safety. There. Some kind of safety, but it was really so loud. Hope this was useful for someone. Let me know if this scared you. Maybe you wouldn't really realize how loud it is. If you try this, really be careful with your eyes. I think this is some kind of a safety feature to keep the pressure under control, to release safely. Thanks for watching. Wow, that was really, I didn't really expect it like this. I thought it would be more mild, less powerful.